Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX channel, and there's the Corvus OS for Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, there's a Corvus OS 16.6 Paradox official one for Redmi Note 7 Pro based on Android 11. As you can see, there's the Android 11 logo, and there's the violet and maintainer name and phone specifications with latest 5th June 2021 security patch, and this is the Cygnus X1 4.14.190. this is the kernel used in this Corvus OS. Let me go into this customization. As you can see, you get home settings, notification dots, you need to enable, access required. Raven launcher is used in this Corvus OS as default launcher. If you want, you can change the launcher. Notification dots I enabled, and add app icons to the home icon back, show search bar, swipe to access Google app, suggestions, hidden apps, notification gesture, double tap gesture, swipe down to clear all recents, Google Feed tab. Those things are given. If you want, you can even enable the developer options here. This is the home settings, and this is the widgets. If you want, you can add the widgets. Let me increase this little bit of volume. Okay, and this is how the icons and the app drawer is. And coming to styles and wallpapers, you get Corvus wallpapers. These are the pre-installed Corvus wallpapers you get in this. There are plenty of wallpapers. If you want, you can use different wallpapers also. And in the grid size, you will get 5x5, 5x6, 6x6 type style. Those things are given. It will be arranged as it is, and you will get this Google Go camera as a default camera application. It's working fine. If you want, you can use the Build G camera also, the latest one 8.1, and all the Google Gallery app is also working fine. It will be pre-installed. If you want, you can use Google Photos also. And coming to calling screen, as you can see, I will dial it to 198. You can even, there is no call recording feature here. This is how it will, the working GeoSIM is working fine. And this is all the quick settings panel you get in this ROM. As you can see, if you want, you can enable. It will be looking like this, as you can see. And if you want, you can enable these kind of quick settings. If you want, you can drag from here. That's how it will works. And this is a quick settings panel. I will disable the dark theme. The auto brightness sensor is also working fine. No problem in this ROM. There is a gaming ROM. Yes, but the battery life on this ROM is also very good. Let me show you. As you can see, the last charge on this about 1 day 20 hours left based on your usage. But now let me show you. As you can see, full charge lasts about screen usage time. Actually, I charged this smartphone like 2 days before. I kept this smartphone idle to check whether the idle battery drain is there or not. This is definitely very good. Only 2% I noticed in last 2 days. And the battery saver, you get extreme battery saver. Those options are given. Even anyhow, this smartphone is only 60 Hz. You need not to enable it or disable. It's same. Turn off while charging. When charged 90%, this option is also available in the extreme battery saver. And coming to display settings, dark theme you can enable, but let me show you once again. Dark theme, it's enabled. Styles and wallpapers, font size, you can choose. Many fonts are given in this ROM. Font size also you can adjust here. Let me disable this dark theme. Auto rotate screen, tap to wake is there. Brightness level, this font is about Android. Okay, now it's visible. And this all the display settings you get in this ROM. And battery settings I already shown. In sound settings, you get this kind of animation here. It's new. Volume steps you can enable here. this touch feedback, I mean the vibration haptic feedback, you can enable or disable here, and dial pad tones also you can enable, disable, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and vibration, screenshot sound, even the me sound enhancer is also given. You can choose different types of headphones and the preset. This is the sound settings, and privacy settings are also same as in the Android 11 style, and all are working fine. The quick settings, Bluetooth, location, torch light, everything is working fine. I use Bluetooth earphones and even the wired earphones. The output is good, not a problem at all, it's fine, same as any ROM. And coming to security features, you get this kind of animation here, and you get screen lock, fingerprint lock, face unlock, app locker is also given, smart lock also given. Let me show you the fingerprint scanner here. As you can see, it's unlocked, just tap, it gets unlocked. And let me show you the face unlock. As you can see, it's unlocked, it's fine in this ROM. Coming to accessibility menu, as you know I like the most the accessibility menu. The Android 12 one is much better compared to this. I can't swipe here using the finger, it's difficulty, but if you disable these gestures it will be easy. And this how the Corvus settings, if you want you can change your Raven's letter, notifications, gestures, miscellaneous settings, and here lock screen theme, even the status bar and buttons, navigation, power menu, you can enable advanced restart. As you can see, you can choose directly to recovery. Those things are given in this ROM. Even you get equalizer here, if you want you can enable, it will enhance your audio experience even through the output speaker also. And this all the customization you get here in the above section only. Everything is fine. And coming to this Geekbench score in this ROM, as you can see, I'll show the history. 8 July, from then I did not charge the smartphone, considering it's 675, it's very good. 492 single score and 1339 multi score. This on Android 11, and as is shown before, this is the kernel used in this ROM. And coming to speed test, as you can see, I have here like 100 Mbps Wi-Fi connection, and I will show you with SIM also. As of now it's with Wi-Fi. I will disable it and I will turn the mobile, and let me show you with even the SIM network here. As you can see, I am using the Jio SIM here. It will be up to 10 Mbps. Let me check out. As you can see, it will be pulling up to 10 to 15. Even the carrier aggregation is also good. As you can see, it's pulling very good speeds here, up to 25 Mbps. It's very good, but the signal strength is less. Once it is get the LTE, I mean the only 4G, then the speeds are less, but if you get plus here it will be more. That's how the internet speeds in this ROM. And this is the BGMI, Call of Duty, Free Fire. If you want really the gaming review of this Corvus OS, do comment down below. And if you are first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below here, and also allow the notification. And if you like the video, give it a like also. And this is how the Corvus OS ROM for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is the volume panel you get. From here you can adjust the media volume, alarm volume, and the overall smartphone volume. And here you can disable, enable, and even the you can keep for vibrate here. That's how the volume panel settings you get in this ROM. And this is the Corvus OS 16.6 Paradox official for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Do comment down below which is the present ROM you are using, and do flash it with, I have already flashed with Android 12 bit on. In similar fashion, do flash the ROM, any ROM. And if you like the video, give it a like. And these are the apps I am using. And if you really need the gaming review of this ROM, do comment down below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.